What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Code Porn. So today I wanted to talk to you about going beyond your IDE and your computer screen and your books and get out there and get involved in a developer community. Now, developer community. When you hear that, you might be thinking about Stack Overflow or some other online Q&A or discussion forum specifically for developers. Now, while those are great resources, it's really far from what I'm talking about. What I'm referring to are user groups and code camps. Now, as an independent contractor, I get to meet with a lot of development teams and in turn, a lot of developers. And it's a rare occurrence when I actually meet somebody who knows what a user group or a code camp is. Now, this is highly unfortunate because there's so much missed opportunity there. Now, as a developer advocate, I always spread awareness about user groups and code camps wherever and whenever I can because every developer needs to go beyond the IDE and the Q&A sites because they don't provide the human interaction, and that's the point of this video. Alright, so a user group is a simple idea that has a powerful effect. Simply put, a user group is a club that has a focus on a particular technology or topic. Now, for example, I belong to the Inland Empire .NET users group. Now, our group has a focus on anything .NET related, but I also attend a Python users group as well, and in case you couldn't figure it out, we discuss Python related topics in that group. Now, a typical user group will regularly meet once a month on a weeknight and have a speaker give a presentation about a certain topic. Before and after, there's usually time to mingle and socialize with other developers and members of the group. Now, some of the more prominent groups have raffles and they give away books and software, and pizza and soda are also pretty common as well. So why would you want to attend a user group? Well, why not? I mean, at the very least, it's free education and it gives you a chance to meet other developers in your local area and make contacts, possibly learn something new. Plus, you get exposure beyond your books and your computer screens. If you're looking for a new job, a user group would be a great place to start looking. Now, code camps are ad hoc developer conferences, and these happen usually once or twice a year, and they can have thousands of attendees over a 2-day weekend. Events are usually free to attend and open to anyone. Code camps are run over the course of a weekend, and each day consists of multiple 1-hour sessions. So for example, the 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. hour could have 15 different sessions going on. You get to pick and choose what you want to see. Now, these events are powered mostly by the community. So volunteers organize the events, and sometimes they have sponsors to help fund them. Now, anyone is free to submit a talk and get on the schedule. However, it's possible that more prominent speakers may attend and give a talk or two. So for example, in the SoCal Code Camps, we've had members from the development team from Angular, Twitter, Twilio, and many other popular projects and popular companies. Now, you can find events using several different resources, the first one being meetup.com. A lot of the user groups are finally getting on board with Meetup, so you'll find them there. ineta.org is also a good resource for Microsoft-related groups and events. You can also just Google your city name plus the term user group and see what you get. Now, if you live in a small town, try looking in the next biggest town or city closest to you. The code camps can be found in the same way. These events usually happen in large cities, so for example, the 2 closest code camps for me would be in San Diego and Los Angeles. I suggest starting out by searching for your state plus the term code camp. For example, if I typed in Ohio Code Camp into Google, I'd get results for Columbus Code Camp as the first result. Now again, I'm an advocate for community events, and I've heard many excuses over the years why developers don't attend. So the biggest one is, well, I don't have time. User groups are 2 hours after work, once a month during the weeknight. Most developers work the day shift, and they do have the time to attend. Now, you don't even have to stay the whole time, but I'm pretty sure once you get there, you'll want to stay. So code camps are all-day events, but you can come and go as you please. Yeah, weekends are busy times for people, but it's only 1 week in a year, and you don't have to attend both days. So I usually go on Saturdays, I see the sessions I'm interested in, and then I mingle the rest of the time. So next up is it's expensive. It's actually not, it's free. It's very uncommon for a code camp to have an entry fee unless there's something special going on. Now, smaller user groups are usually free, but the bigger ones that provide pizza have an entry fee, and typically it's only $5. Now, come on, be realistic. You spend more than that in a day at Starbucks. Well, I don't know anybody. So, initially, that's the point. Go meet other developers. I didn't know anyone either, and I'm a shy person. Now I know everyone, and everyone knows me. Well, I'm too advanced for these kinds of things. Pfft. No, you're not. Even if you were, why not go and add your expertise to the group? Well, I'm just a beginner. Then you're the one who will benefit the most. And don't worry, because you're not going to be the only novice there. Now, you'll encounter a few times where you'll get lost, but that's why you ask questions. That's how you learn and grow. Nobody is going to judge you. So in all honesty, if it wasn't for the InlandEmpire.net user group, I wouldn't be where I am today. The people I've met and the opportunities that have come from the group are just simply unmeasurable. I've made important contacts, picked up work, learned about new ideas and technologies, gotten access to up-to-date tools and materials, met some of my closest friends even. So I truly believe that the community events like user groups and code camps are very important for developers of all levels. The interaction with other developers breaks you out of your box and exposes you to new ideas, resources, and friends. Alright, that's it for this episode. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, and if you like this episode, go ahead and click that like button or leave us a comment and tell us what you think. Thanks for watching.